Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. So how do I connect with my roots? Know that balance, duality, and maintaining harmony is one of the ways to connect with your roots. Also know that um, focusing on achieving a higher state of consciousness can not only improve your self awareness but overcome obstacles as well. This can also lead to more growth and better creativity. And then um, here's another confirmation card related to balance and harmony. Know that balance and harmony is needed because this can put you at the beginning of a new stage of your life. Thank you, guys.